Welcome back to NCBA's Cattleman to Cattleman. We're in the Beef Culinary Center with the Executive Chef of Innovation and Culinary Services, Dagan Lynn. Chef Dagan, what are we cooking up today?
Today, another one of my favorite cuts is tri-tip. Okay, so we're gonna do a Santa Maria style tri-tip.
Very good.
With some semi-cured vegetables and a pistachio pesto.
Okay, I was wondering what the pistachios were for. Where did we begin? With the beef, I hope.
We got our beef hiding back here.
Perfect.
I'm gonna go ahead and get it rubbed together first.
Very good.
Really simple rub. We have a lot of these on beefwithwhatsfordinner.com.
Sure.
Adding more as fast as I can.
Yep.
I'm a big rub guy.
Yep.
So we got, of course, big fan of black pepper.
Yeah.
We got some granulated garlic.
Okay.
Granulated onion, kosher salt here.
Kosher salt, okay.
And then I have some smoked paprika.
Paprika.
I'm gonna grab our meat back here.
You bet.
So I always kind of like to show what we have here.
that.
So we have, so you kind of see there's just a little bit of a fat cap on there.
Yep.
Not a lot of connective tissue, so I would just clean that up.
Yep.
And take some of the connective tissue off.
Gotcha.
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of oil on here.
Yeah.
So
Just
the rub
that,
sticks.
Yeah, that rub sticks a little better. And again, you typically use an olive oil, you said, right?
We're gonna go ahead and season this pretty liberally.
You bet.
We got our charcoal preferably going in Santa Maria style. I like to go slow and low on this one,
Sure.
so this should take around 30, 40 minutes.
Yep.
And we're gonna, since we're using our indoor grill,
Okay.
I'm gonna add just a little bit of oil on there to
I
make
see.
sure we don't burn it,
Yep.
right?
This needs to be right, slow and low.
Slow and low
Yep.
is the best way to go.
And so now, while this is cooking on the grill, we're going to work on our vegetables, did you say?
Yep, we're gonna do, it's just some semi-dried vegetables. So we're gonna cut them into a little bit smaller pieces. I'm gonna use the same rub.
All right.
I'm also gonna take these lemons really quick.
Really?
And I love the flavor of burnt lemon.
No kidding.
Great to finish the meat. It really brings out that vibrant beef flavor.
Yep.
We're gonna take a little bit of olive oil and put it on the bottom of our pan. We got some of our rub,
Some rub, absolutely.
which this is gonna just
Flavor those zucchinis, huh?
flavor the zucchinis, and we're gonna
Yeah.
add a lot of flavor to the
Okay.
pesto. There's a variety of tomatoes in here, some bigger ones, some smaller ones,
Yep.
some heirloom ones. We're gonna go ahead and just put those on there,
Fantastic, yeah.
spread them out.
Yep.
I found some beautiful squash.
Squash, you bet.
We're gonna add a little bit more olive oil on this,
Yeah.
and then we're gonna season it up. And then I got my broiler on high,
Okay.
so you want to give it a little decent amount of space so it can kind of slowly bring out the sugars and really kind of sweeten up and intensify the flavor in these
Interesting,
vegetables.
yeah.
So really that easy. We're just gonna kind of go in here and set it and
Didn't
forget
take
it.
very long at all, yeah.
Nah, set it, forget it.
Yep.
While that's going, we're gonna make our pesto.
Okay, fantastic.
I have some pistachios. We got a good olive oil here.
Yep.
You a fan of garlic?
Garlic, absolutely.
I'm
lot
a
of
huge
it.
fan of garlic too,
Yep.
so we're gonna throw a few cloves of that in there. Parsley and basil pre-picked already
Both,
right
okay.
here.
All right, yeah.
We're gonna throw those in there. And then
Parmesan, huh?
Yeah, then some cheese. Little Parmesan cheese. That's kind of like our sodium. So if you need a little bit more oil, sorry. Once we got a little grill flavor on here,
Oh, you're going to put
all
those
those
right on
right in
there.
there.
Fantastic. So it looks like our pesto's done, and we're about to take the tri-tip off the grill. Is that right?
Yep, tri-tip's ready to go.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Nice little caramelization on the outside.
Yes, indeed.
Our vegetables that are in our
Oh,
broiler that have been going nice and slow.
Yeah. And again, you said that you can make these in advance. You don't have to make them today, right? And bring them even if they're a little cooler, you can eat them, right? I
Yeah,
mean, with
they're
the-
good hot, they're good cold, they're good
Yeah.
room temperature.
Good.
So we're just gonna go ahead and kind of put these all, kind of smell too.
Yeah.
You get that really vegetable, tomato, little bit of olive oil flavor. So
Yeah. Slice into that
we're gonna
bad
go
boy,
ahead
huh?
and slice into this.
Yeah.
Looks good. That's beautiful,
Still
right?
juicy. Look at that. Yep.
Still juicy, it's a little bit, it'll be a little bit less cooked in the
Yeah,
middle than
absolutely,
on the end. So if you have
absolutely.
people that want it more cooked, you kind of
do that.
two birds in one stone.
Yeah.
So we're gonna plate that off.
Look at that.
So then we'll go here.
Look at that.
All right, we got that. We got our burnt lemons.
So you're gonna, yeah. Look at
We're
that.
gonna just put some of these on the vegetables. I don't wanna cover up our beautiful piece of meat here.
Yeah.
So look at that. That looks nice.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna take a little bit of the lemon squeezer
Yep.
and we're gonna squeeze it on that plate.
I can't wait. Look at that.
I have a little bit of finishing salt right here.
All right.
And one little last treat.
Awesome.
We're gonna do for you.
Look at
There's
that.
a little Parmesan to go
Yeah.
on there. We try to take care of our guests.
Look at that. That looks absolutely beautiful.
I mean, tri-tip is, I think, one of the easier ones to do. You can grill, you can roast. Something I've seen more popular out there are tri-tip steaks, which work well on skewers or just as a steak,
That's delicious.
right? It's tender, it's juicy, it's got good marbling. It's got the whole package.
That homemade pesto is also something just takes this to a new level.
Just vibrant, like brings up that flavor of that beef better, right?
I'm telling you what, you are doing wonderful work here,
Thank
Chef
you, sir.
Dagan. We appreciate all you do for the entire beef industry.
Honestly, it's my pleasure, and thank you for, this is one of the best jobs I've ever had in my life, so
We're
thank you.
glad to hear it. Now, for more great recipes just like this one, go to the website beefitswhatsfordinner.com. And we'll be back with more Cattlemen to Cattlemen right after this.